Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to set style and design for revolution slider for mobile layout in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using slider revolution plugin. So this is our desktop layout. Now you see desktop layout is good. On top you see option desktop, notebook, tablet, mobile. So we enable mobile layout. Now you see on option. So we are going to set styling for mobile layout. Now click on it. So this is a mobile layout. Mobile layout is not looking good. So we are going to fix it. Now select any font. Now you see font size 50px. We set this font size for desktop, but on mobile also shows 50px. Now make it less, like 30, and then click. Now you see, so you can set font style and size according to your requirement for mobile layout. And then you see another layer. Now select, double click on it, and then you see style. So we are in layer option, so click on style, and then you see font style, where different option. So this is a font size 50 for desktop. Now set 30 for mobile layout. Now click on it, and then you can set layer position according to your requirement for mobile like this. And then you see we provide. Now drag and drop like this. So this is our button. So you can move position according to your requirement for each layer, and then click on save. So on desktop layout, font size and styling for revolution slider is different than mobile layout. If you enable mobile layout setting, then you can set layer position, font size, style according to your requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.